Good evening, this is Romilo and greetings from Eindhoven. I come from the Philippines and I miss our food from there. That's why tonight I'm cooking a typical fish dish, very simple. It's called Paksiw. It's comparable to the Spanish Pescado Encebollado. Or you can consider it as the ceviche from Latin America, from Peru, or from the Caribbean. A raw fish dish marinated in lemon or vinegar, and then cook it. This is it, Paksiw. Easy, fast, and simple. Let's start. The ingredients are the following, very simple. More than half kilo, between half to 1 kilo of mackerel, horse mackerel, 2 onions, and just ginger. This is just to reduce this is to neutralize a bit the smell of the fish. Optional, my mother didn't use garlic. We can use this if you prefer. Vinegar, salt, and pepper. As I promised, we combine everything, the fish, into a casserole. Let's add the ingredients on top or under the fish, it doesn't matter. Once it boils, the flavors will mix. And vinegar, any kind of vinegar. Apple cider, sugarcane vinegar, but what I have here is just white vinegar from the supermarket. 1 tablespoonful of salt, or reduce it to your liking, al gusto, and pepper. Lid on and to the stove. Let's start with high fire, and once it boils, we can reduce it to just simmering mode, and just let it boil for around 10 more minutes at low flame. And as an option, we can add pepper, green pepper, and oil. Vinegar and oil make a perfect combination. Let it boil for, say, 10 more minutes, and we have a dish. Simple. It goes well, or it combines well with white rice and beer, or rosé. Thank you for joining Romilo. That was quick and easy recipe. Paksiw from the Philippines. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time.